guys, Nick Miller today from Mark Supply Company to have for you a 2016 Kubota L3301. It's a very clean tractor. One-owner tractor, does have the LA 525 quick attach front loader with skid steer quick attach coupler. 356 hours on this tractor. Cat 1 3-point hitch, drawbar. This is a DT, so it's direct transmission. Gear shift tractor does have a left-hand reverser, forward reverser on it, which is nice. I like these tractors because these are great brush hogging, great all-around working tractors that will last a guy a lifetime essentially. They're gear drive with a clutch, which is great. Again, it's strong, it's reliable, it's technology, it's been around forever. So we have serviced this tractor with all brand new OEM Kubota filters and oils, and you're 100% ready to go to work. R4 tires set up just the way most guys would like it. So we're going to start here under the hood, and we'll go from there. So on this tractor, you're going to take the folding grill guard, you're going to pull your pin out right here, okay? And you are going to head to the other side, like that. Pull the catch release, you're going to open the hood. So under the hood of this tractor, these are powered, I do believe these are an 1803, D1803 Kubota 3-cylinder diesel engine. Start, run, and work very, very well. We have, again, serviced this tractor, all new filter tools, clean out screen, air filter, fuel, anything you called for, it got that was done with service. Very clean under the hood, which you can see. Hood itself is an extremely nice shape. It's not dinged, dented, scratched, scuffed. Very, very nice and very clean and straight. Okay. Grill guard up front. I do believe that was a 66-inch bucket. 66-inch skid steer quick attach bucket. Very nice shape. Skid steer quick attach is great. Of course, a 14-foot tractor to do that. And paint is in beautiful shape. R4 tires. Going to be about 85%. All four matching. Original to the tractor. Does have a little toolbox here. Top link pin is with it. Top link is there. Cat 1 3-point hitch, folding roll bar. Gonna head over here to the other side. So what's nice on this tractor, you got 4 speeds right here in your center. Then you're gonna have a high and low. So that's 8 forward gears, 8 reverse gears. You got your forward and reverse right here, 4-wheel drive in and out, up and down for your 3-point, foot throttle, PTO lever. We'll get a click dash on for them, Matt. 354 hours. Just a very, very nice, clean tractor. You can see all OEM Kubota seat, brakes, really just a straight clean piece. So I'm gonna fire this tractor up and run around, show you that everything's supposed to do. Here we go. so you don't have this massive big hump to get over. There's a small hump there, but a very, very nice clean tractor. If you got any questions, 814-658-3066. Stop by, check us out if you have any questions.